what's going on, guys? Planned on driving some cars today, but it rained, unfortunately. But we do have some BMW meets we're gonna go check out. We just had a BMW CCA meet over here at Starbucks somewhere in Alpharetta. Everybody's rolling out now to go to gas ATL meet. So we're gonna hit the highway and cruise a little bit. Hit y'all in a minute. Got a little bit of everything over here. Got supercharged M3 in front of me, F10 M5, manual E60 M5, the Austin yellow M4 behind me, another M4 up there. But we squad, boy. This M4 is popping so loud. I thought my Burble was loud. God. Look, a 996 turbo. Bro, I ain't got no gas. Help me. Clearly, I ain't the only one that needs gas, because everybody stopped at the gas station. That shit was so fun.
Me and Joe was in that Porsche ass.
What do you mean? We went at it. That Porsche, his wife was holding the door like, don't go. And you could see him like getting ready. And I was trying him. I was like, you about to make a mistake right here, big man.
Okay, I didn't try you yet. I was going to try you.
He was a temp. He was like, please.
When you and him first hit off, y'all was way out in the distance. That's when I caught y'all asses back up. I was like,
crazy.
We just y'all had a 2-second head
And
start.
what way did your JB4 car?
Yeah, let me tell you
I
something.
don't have a JB4.
Exactly, even worse.
Even if we go for a day, you gonna be there for a second, but we going. I'm gonna be there.
I'm gonna start in second gear.
Man, this car sounds like a shotgun, man. I don't know if the camera will pick it up as loud as it is in person, but dude, this thing was ringing my ears. Crazy little emblem. It's Austin's 6-speed E60 M5. With the doors open. Yep. 6-speed manual. I'm gonna drive this for the channel. Hopefully next weekend. Be right around the corner from the meet. I've actually never been to the meet. Every time the meet happens, and I'm always busy doing something else, so I just happen to be completely free today. So we finna pull up. Everybody revving now. All right. All right, guys, we here. It's not a big turnout yet. I think we're kind of early, and then it kind of rained today too. But so far we got our crew and some other cars, and you guys got to look at this E36 that just pulled up. God.
No lie. Yeah, I'm getting like 600 to the
He wasn't on waves. I had waves.
He was shooting a laser
This is a
at
crazy header. I've never seen this before.
Because I was like, let me see. I want
This guy had a close call. I
He was cutting off on him.
Man.
Rear.
And I'm like, okay, he wants to be there.
You told me I can open it. Don't think I'm just breaking in the man's car. This thing is so clean, man.
That's something that, like I said, it's always been.
What is this? Oh.
Then he got one in the mirror.
Oh my God.
That's the air fuel up there.
How much does stuff cost?
I don't know. I had to shop, so I was doing that at the shop.
Really?
So
I need that, man. That's the secret button right there.
okay.
Secret sauce button.
Oh yeah. Oh, this when you throw it. Oh, you think you got me? Oh, let's change this around now.
This thing is so sick. Oh my God.
Like, yeah, you think you got me? All right. Let's see how this goes.
That's what I was saying.
This E36 is so clean, man. This thing is so cool. Those gauges are crazy. I gotta get back on the road, man. I gotta stop playing with y'all, man. I want one of those so bad. Oh my God, dude. I want an M6 so bad. Oh, I got the M6 on the brakes. What's going on, y'all?
How you doing, man?
It's crazy track M3. Vented hood. Like Apex EC7s, it looks like. Oh, the rest of DZ102s or 103s. I'm on 102s. Well, it's the same exact tire size. 275, 35, 18. Kind of twinning. Damn. BBS. My mama said big baller status. They actually do this event at a brewing company, Tucker Brewing Company. I think they do it once a month. Pretty nice in here, man. Boy.
This is nice.
Oh, man.
Car like that. Yeah.
All right.
you doing? Man.
Oh man, thank you. Love it, man. I don't take it out often. I wouldn't either. Get that to get it out.
Still my favorite car here. Man. You don't know how to say it. Just remember this. Porsche. Porsche. Alright guys, well, I think I've seen enough today. Not that I want to leave, but I got some stuff to do, so I got to get up out of here. There's still cars rolling in. Another F10 M5. Those things are pretty. But I gotta head out, so hopefully y'all enjoyed the videos. Maybe I'll go to more meets, because I really don't get out that much anymore. But you know, it's starting to warm up a little bit. It's winter, but it's not exactly cold, so we'll see. For now, y'all take care. Deuces. Mistakes were made. We were at the gas station earlier, right? I needed gas, but we were at QT, and I'm E85. I'm not gonna make it at E85 station, so luckily I got that thing on me, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jordan Arcade Tunes. I need to switch my tunes so I can get some gas. All right, Arcade Tunes flash. It's so easy to flash the tune though. Program ECU memory. Let's see what flashes I got in here. Let's see, pump gas with Burble. And we're flashing. Takes like 4 minutes. And go on, baby.